So in the past 3 days, we have completed the coding for the economic scenarios.
Yes.
Now it will be shared with the UI team for the spot check.
Yes.
The second thing we did was process optimization.
Yes.
So this was done for discount rate calculations, auto renaming tranches, and
Yeah.
two input options for discount curve.
Okay. So that's all. So do I have to say the detail of the spot check or just say it's
No,
okay?
don't.
Just say
Spot
check.
just need to
Okay.
read it out, okay?
Okay. I just need to read it out.
Yeah.
Okay.
So for
Sounds
this
good.
week we have credit enhancement.
Yeah.
We are still working on that, and a significant progress has been made on credit enhancement. The second thing is adding n number of subordinate tranches. So right now, how our code works is it just facilitates one subordinate tranche,
Oh yeah,
which gets the
yeah.
residual sum of money.
Yes.
Whereas in the email, which was whereas in the last meeting we raised a question, and we got replied as well that now like now we need to add the model needs to have multiple subordinate tranches, and that too with an option of sequential and pro rata. So we have termed it in a way it has a residential sequential or residual sequential or residual pro rata.
Okay, get it.
So
what is credit enhancement?
Okay, credit enhancement is what they explained us on the Monday meeting.
Okay.
Last week.
So we haven't done it yet.
We haven't done anything on this thing.
No problem.
It's going to it's a pain in the ass.
Okay.
It's going to take time.
Okay, no problem. Okay.
So, but economic scenarios, we know the idea of how you're going to incorporate it. So we need to get done with this by Friday. Anyhow. Even if you want to stay like for next 12 hours on Friday, just try to complete it on Friday.
Okay. You mean which
the
part
thing
is it?
which the thing which we discussed today.
Okay.
Yeah.
The scenario
an
thing.
HPI column and
Yeah, that's not difficult after we come up with some idea, right? Like,
yeah, because
just add
now
another
we
column.
know how to incorporate it, but it's going to take some time as well.
Oh yeah, so, exactly.
So that's the thing. Yeah.
So I just read through this one and my presentation will be
for example, two input options for discount curve. So now the way we have coded it up, it would ask the user if he wants to manually input the data points, like for example a particular month and the rate, or give us a Excel file.
Okay, this is the second point of our achievement.
Yes.
Okay. And the first point of our achievement is scenario will be shared with UI team for check. The first point is we just done the spot check, right? Complete what is the main point of the first one? I mean, I don't get it.
What again?
The first achievement. The first achievement. What is that?
Okay, first achievement is what we discussed today that will be incorporated tomorrow.
Will be incorporate. Oh, we will incorporate with the UI user interface.
No. Listen. The first thing, economic scenarios is I told you that we will be converting quarterly data into monthly data, and then we'll be adding a HPI and GDP column.
Okay, get it.
Yeah, I'm counting it as an achievement because now we know how to do it.
Yeah, makes sense. Yeah,
it won't be a big thing. So
okay.
Because we have been telling them that we are in the process, so we can say to them, okay, we are done with it.
Okay, no problem. Makes sense. Okay.
So this I'm going to repeat it again.
Okay.
This is how I will be presenting if I'm presenting.
Okay.
So for this week we completed the code for the economic scenarios, and it will be shared with the UI team for the spot check.
Yeah.
The second thing we did was process optimization. This thing was done for discount rate calculations, auto renaming tranches, and giving user two input options for the discount curve. We have some work in progress as well. For credit enhancement, we are still in the process of completing it, and we can say a significant progress has been made. We are looking forward to add n number of subordinate tranches with options such as residual sequential, residual pro rata.
And that's all.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay, appreciate it.